Good morning, everybody. It's Coach G. My body has been whispering to me lately that it needs a little extra support. So this morning, we're gonna make some celery juice. Celery juice is incredibly anti-inflammatory. It supports the digestive system as well as cleanses the lymph and detoxes the liver, amongst many, many other benefits out there, but primarily, those are the ones I'm looking to support today. So we have 2 stalks of celery that have already been cleansed with our lemon produce soak. We also have, I had some extra lemons, so we also have about 6 lemons chopped up over here, and of course 2 giant hunks of ginger, right? Because you gotta keep it spicy. All right, let's make some celery juice. Have it. Delicious and nutritious celery juice. Yum. What? Yeah, it is. It's spicy.